So we talked about the heart sending blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen so that your blood can then deliver that oxygen all over your body so that your cells can get the oxygen that they need to work. We're going to talk now about how you're getting that oxygen into your body. The respiratory system has several parts. Air enters your body through your nose and mouth. So you can breathe in through your mouth and that'll carry it to your lungs, or you can breathe in through your nose. Okay, so that's where air enters the body. The trachea is also sometimes called the windpipe, and that connects the throat and nose to your bronchial tubes, which are down here where the branches happen, so you can get your oxygen into two separate lungs. The bronchial tubes are what the air passes through just before going into the lungs. The lungs themselves are large sacs that can expand during inhalation and they contract during exhalation. So what happens is your chest opens up. That's what it means by they expand, and that lets air flow into your lungs, and then they contract. Your chest kind of closes down a little bit, and that pushes the air back out. So during exhalation, they contract. And then where the actual exchange of oxygen with blood takes place is in the alveoli. These are tiny little sacs that fill up both of your lungs, left and right lung, okay? And they are surrounded by capillaries. And so each little tiny sac is wrapped up in capillaries, and that's where the actual exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide will take place with the blood. All right, now, breathing happens to get oxygen into our bodies and carbon dioxide out. All right, and that is, by definition, the process that moves air in and out of the lungs. That is breathing. All right, oxygen must be used by our cells to let them work. If you remember back to our cells unit, cellular respiration, okay, how our cells make their energy. Okay, they got to use oxygen to do that. All right, and carbon dioxide is the waste product that is created when our cells do cellular respiration. And so that waste product, we got to get that out of our body. So we got to get the oxygen into the cells, and we got to get the carbon dioxide out. So when we breathe in, inhale, that's breathing in, inhale. Okay, we are taking in the oxygen, and when we breathe out, exhale, we're getting rid of the carbon dioxide. And we can actually see that happen if we use an indicator that's called bronthymol blue. It's abbreviated BTB. All right, it's blue in its normal state, but when carbon dioxide is put into bronthymol blue, it's going to turn yellow. It's an indicator. Okay, an indicator is a chemical that changes appearances in different solutions. So bronthymol blue will turn yellow with the carbon dioxide. And so we are going to see if we can take some bronthymol blue and actually turn it yellow by breathing into it, to actually show that when we breathe out, we'll blow through a straw into some bronthymol blue, that we're actually breathing out carbon dioxide.